Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 3. Let us see how we can create a chart. Step number 1. Select the range of cells containing the data including the column titles and the row labels to be plotted on the chart. Select the range of cells containing the data including the column titles and the row labels to be plotted on the chart. Column titles and row labels all to be selected. Step number 2, click on the Insert tab. You have to click on the Insert tab. Step number 3, click and select the desired chart category in the Charts group. A drop-down list of chart subtype is selected. So we have to click and select the desired chart category in the chart group, and a drop-down list of the subtype of the chart will be displayed. You have to select that. And step number 4, select the desired chart subtype. The chart appears in the worksheet. Then you have to select the desired chart subtype. After that, the chart is inserted or it is appeared in the worksheet. Now let us see practically what we have learned today. So based on this worksheet data which we have already seen in the slides, sales of the cars in the first quarter of the year. So you have to type this in your Excel worksheet, then select the column heading as well as the row labels. These are the row labels and these are the column headings. So you have to select it, the entire one like this. Then click on the Insert tab. Here is your Insert tab. Click on it. Then click on in the Charts group. Click on the chart type. The different types of chart subtypes appears. Click on the chart subtype you want. As you do, your chart is inserted. So here is your column chart. Now for change the chart type, you click on it to change to another type. So after columns, you select the bar chart. You click on the bar chart, the change chart type dialog box. These are the subtypes for the bar. Click on any subtype, click on OK. So your chart has been changed to bar chart. So as we see in column chart, the values are on the vertical axis and categories are on the horizontal axis or x-axis. Here in the bar chart is just reverse. Values are on the horizontal axis or x-axis and the categories are on the vertical axis or y-axis. Again, change the chart type. Let's change it to say line chart. Here are the different types of line chart. Select the subtype. Select OK. You get the line chart. Here the lines actually display. Color of the lines display the month. Blue color is for January, as I told you earlier while explanation. Red color is for February and the green color is for March. And here are your categories of the car models. Here is the value on the vertical axis or y-axis. Click on change type. Say you go to pie chart. So pie chart is a single data item. So for doing that, you have to select only one data series. So select one data series. We are selecting only the car models and the one data series is the month of January. Sales in the month of January. You have selected. And click on Insert. Click on pie. These are the subtype. Click on any pie subtype. It has been displayed. Okay. Here the colors displays so it is the sales for the month of January. The color blue displays for the sales of Honda City. This red displays Swift Desire. Green displays XUV 500. And then this purple displays EcoSport. If you wish, you can change the colors also. Change the way of displaying the numbers, percentage also, that you will see later on. Now go to the next subtype, say donut chart. Select, go to under pie, there are different types. Here is a donut chart. So click on in the subtype of the donut chart. Selected, click on OK. Now see, 3 rings are there. The innermost ring is for the month of January, the middle is for the month of February, and the third or outer one is for the month of March. And each and every ring has 4 sections. Those 4 sections are your categories or the x-axis categories. Which are those? The car models represented by every color. Blue for Honda City, red for Swift Desire, green for XUV 500, and purple for EcoSport. So these are the types of chart. Friends, that's all for today. Hope you have understood. Practice in your computer device. Until the next class, until the next video, it's goodbye and happy learning.